Alright guys, we've been sent out here to do a homeowners insurance inspection on this system, but the system was replaced. It's completely removed. This is the old condenser. These garbage bags have the old ductwork in it. It's nasty. The blower, it's nasty. Customer said that was a mouse. I'm not too sure. Flexed out. That's the new unit. And this is the air handler for the unit. Dirty evaporator coil. So, I mean, there's not much I could really do, but took pictures and everything for the insurance company, and I mean, the system's already been replaced.